This is the OSULLOC Premium Tea Collection, a beautifully packaged tea sampler with 40 tea bags in 10 different flavors, with 4 of each variety included. What makes this set really stand out is the variety. You get a mix of pure and blended teas, so it's a nice way to explore different flavors without committing to just one box. It's made with premium organic tea from Jeju, which gives it a more elevated, giftable feel. I also like how convenient this collection is for everyday use. Whether you want something light in the morning, something calming in the evening, or just a relaxing tea break during the day, this box gives you a lot of options to choose from. The individual tea bags also make it easy to keep organized and simple to enjoy at home or at work. The presentation is another nice touch. It comes in a self-care sampler gift box style, so it works well as a thoughtful gift, but it also feels special if you're buying it for yourself.